You being what inspired it? So sorry. You being this inspiration that you have become, being a voice for so many. What inspired that? Sanbonan, it's been a while. It's been a while since I've been live. Sanbonan. I hope everyone is okay. I hope everyone is coping, guys. It's been so long, man. But yeah, I'm back. Kuningi, I know ukuthi kuningi khuleka. I'm gonna start doing my live starting now. Shonani. Gonna start doing my live kusukela manje kushonale. It's gonna be nice. It's gonna be very nice, guys. So what have you been up to? What's been going on? Abantu bacabangani? Nje, I'm curious, especially ekwazini ukuthi what's been on your mind, guys? It's really indaba ya DJ Warren, man. Did you hear did you hear about DJ Warren? DJ Warren was very sad, man. I don't want to lie. I guess like South Africa, if you do the right thing back and alive, right? If you make the wrong moves, back and alive either way. So there is no light at the end of the tunnel. There is no light, man, and guys. It's just after hearing that things they worrying, I've just been feeling down. I've just been feeling down kakhulu. But again, ngiyabingelela to everyone. Yeah, it's been a long time since uhlangana and talk. Is it DJ Warren? Am I saying it right? Kade ngafunda ama-commenteni ukuthi ngiqale phezulu ungafunde ngehle now, man. DJ Warren, bro. Why ngithi Warren, man? Yeah, DJ Warren. DJ Waras. Wangigcina ngevidiyo yesinkwa sika-2000, guys. Beningasazi isinkwa sika-2000. Saniboni, beningasazi isinkwa sa-2000. I need to make a podcast. Khuleka, uma sengithola equipment, I would actually. So I'll look into that. Khona umuntu othi ufuna ukungena ahlale nazi lana. I'm just nje ngiyambheka and think uthi uzama. I'm just Zama guy uthi ufuna ukuhlala nathi. Kuningi that's been going on. Manje ngifaka abantu sixoxe. Sino DJ Warren, Shile. Yeah, fresh cut of notes. Yeah, of course. And it's been a while since ngagcina. It's been a while since ngagcina like ukwenza live. So ngijabulile for that. Kuningi kusamele sikhulume kuningi. DJ Warren, that's been going on indaba yakhe. DJ Warren, we have DJ Warren esistresseke ngaye, which is like blow our minds as abantu abamnyama. Why am I saying it wrong? Are you safe there? I'm safe.
Hi,
Hi.
How are you?
Ngiyaphila, wena unjani? How are you?
Yeah, ngiyaphila nami.
Nice to know that you speak isiZulu. It's been a while. Ngagcina ngikhuluma isiZulu. Awu Nkosi yami. Mama ungasayikhuluma i-English ivale nje. Asiqhubeke sibambe kwisiZulu.
Is it my network?
It's an honor to be in your presence. It's an honor to... No, yeah, but it is an honor to be in your presence. Wow. And I have so many questions.
Okay.
I have so many. Can you hear me? Is this right?
Yes. Play it, but I can hear you. Kulum.
I have so many questions. Ngaqala. I
Go
have
ahead,
so
yes.
many questions. Ngaqala phi nje? Ngaqala phi? Let's start with tell everyone mhlawumbe ungakwazi ukuthi who are you? Like awubazise. Yeah, because some people apparently abakwazi, which is like shocking me. Ngiyangithusa leyo nto. But yeah, enlighten them kancane.
Sorry, sorry to say this, but I think ukuthi bazi ukuthi uPumpkin, I'm a TikToker, ngiyahosta, I play games. Sometimes I host sports games. Ngiyaposta ama-video. It's enough. Yes.
But there's more to you. There's more to you as the goddess Oyona. So maybe you can expose them to that, show them the real you, like what you aspire, what's been going on in Gwena and everything like that. Because you are more than just a pumpkin. I see, like they say that eyes are the windows to the soul, and Gwena, like I know there's more.
Yeah, khona kunjalo, there's more. Pumpkin on TikTok, but that's not my real name. I have a real name outside TikTok, like private life, ngomunye umuntu on media, you know, ngomunye umuntu. So kahle kahle, the reason why ngabhalanga igama lami
Okay.
lapho because angifuni ukezakala or angifuni ukuphila i-private.
I always advocate ekutheni ukuthi umuntu omnyama has to know the real truth on what's really going on kwi-country yakhe. And now it's a point whereby now it's ngiyachaza. Now it's gotten to the point whereby ngiyazibuza ukuthi yini lengaka abantu abangayifuni eqinisweni that makes them unalive anyone olukhulumayo. What is it about the truth engaka? Ngihlezi ngisho the truth shall set you free, lalela mntu omnyama. That's me, that's who I am. And then it's like URS gone URS. It's deep. Hey Ntomnyama, sanibonani. Hey, yabona kuningi that I want us to discuss, kuningi that I want us to unpack. But i-live ngizoyibuye ngenze futhi ngo-midnight sekwamanje. There's this guy uthe ufuna kwenza i-live lana. Ngamkhipha kanjalo. Khona this person engimfunayo lana. Zama if you're here. Khona ngizokufaka. Zama. Khona this guy man. Ulana and uyabathanda belungu. Like uyabathanda with the passion. So manje ufuna i-platform. Mina-ke I always like ngiyabafaka le genge ethanda belungu, ngiyabafaka. Like the genge that advocates for isitha. Sis Nondu, I see you. Can't believe uhlala eTepeni Nondu and mina now we've never like gotten to hang out. Kanjani? How mfethu? Lunch nyana, ocean baskets. Me, you. It's not okay. Yeah, we haven't had lunch. It can't be. It shouldn't be like this. Should not be like this. Nakhona if we have lunch phela ngitshela intombi. Yeah, my potential. Hi,
Can you hear me okay?
how are you?
I'm
Are you-
good. How are
I
you?
can hear you perfectly. Can you hear me?
I can now. Yep. Mm-hmm.
Okay. I like your look. I
Thank
like
you.
your look. Wow. It's giving Moana with a little bit of I don't know. Wait, what's the word?
Yeah.
How to put it? You know that lady from the cartoons, right? That always looked at the mirror and said, "Mirror, mirror on the wall, Hey, who's the fairest of them all? You know that one, right? That
Snow
that
White.
you know
Shaq's
you
like
know
pie.
her, right?
I think so. Snow White.
Eh, yeah. Okay, not Snow White though. The lady with the mirror.
The witch lady with the
Yeah.
apple. Yeah, that's me.
Yeah, the Apple Lady. Yeah, it's giving Moana. It's giving Apple Lady. Yay! Yay! Telling
I
you.
love that.
I'm telling you. At
Does
some
that mean
point, I feel like
you're
you're gonna
gonna let
teach
me
me about
win?
water, but
Does that mean you're gonna let me win?
you've already won. You won already. It's over. It's over. There is nothing else. Like it's gone. It's done. Over with. So.
Ooh.
Where are you from? I love your accents.
Florida. Florida. US.
Florida.
Mm-hmm.
Oh, in the US. Okay, okay. Can you say water?
Say what? Water?
Can you say water? Oh,
Water?
okay.
What? What do you say? Water? What do you
The
say?
way the the way you just said it, you just made water sound fancy, like expensive. Teach me how to say it like you. I have to learn how to say it
You
like you.
sound the same to
Like
me. It sounds the same to me.
it's like a bottle of water. Water.
No, I don't sound like that. Water.
You just said water. Water.
I-
Ah, water. You want some water? I love that. I like that. I
Water.
love your energy.
It's you
When you use that
for.
in a sentence, like you use that in a sentence,
I want to go get a drink
can
of
you use that in a
water.
sentence though?
I just made that up though. I don't know.
I want to get a drink of water. A drink of water.
Just a large glass of water.
Hey,
Are we gonna
hey.
are
So
we
what
gonna
do you
play this
do?
game or
Like
not,
where
Zero? Accept this.
we,
You gotta
we
accept.
can. We can.
You have to.
Yeah, I accept. 100% I accept. I do. I do. I do. I
Good.
So are you married?
No,
Are you
I was
married?
once. I was once.
Why? Why?
Hi. Well, we
How?
didn't.
How?
How? Well, he was a really nice guy, and
How?
I was,
What
and
do you
then,
mean?
and then,
Yeah?
and then it just didn't work out very good. Thank you, Chef.
How? I'm so confused.
Well, well, because I like to be very free. So I moved to Florida.
What do you mean? Like
Well, I
what? What do you
mean,
mean by free?
like,
Like chickens are free. Chickens are
no,
free. What
free,
do you mean
like,
free?
free, like I wanted to travel and I wanted to stream and I wanted to go to different coffee shops and he wanted to go to the same office every day.
Ah, good for you. Good for you. That's nice. That's nice. That's
Hi, driver.
shiny, shiny. So you're married.
No, I'm divorced. Hi, Jeff. I was married.
What is divorce?
It means you're not married anymore.
What is divorce?
Do you not get divorced
How?
in Africa?
I'm from
You can't get
I'm
divorced
from
in
South
Africa. Once
Africa.
you're married, you're stuck. You don't ever get to, like, once you're married, you're just
No,
married
but
forever.
divorce. What do you
110
mean?
points, guys.
So
Well,
you're
like, if
telling
you
me.
decide you don't want to be
So
married
you
anymore,
bonded.
you could, yeah, see, like, I don't
Ah,
have this
like
anymore.
you bonded like so you basically you bonded, right, spiritually. You decided to get
Mm-hmm.
married and connect your souls,
Yep. And then we decided that that didn't
and
work
now you're
very
not
good.
connected. How?
It didn't work very good. We made a mistake. We were young.
I don't believe you. There's no such thing. There's no such thing. I don't believe you.
Oh, okay. We can we get 50 more points, guys, or we're in trouble. or we're in trouble. You guys gonna make Chef do it
I
all?
like you.
Come on,
And
guys. 20
do
more
you have kids?
points.
Do you have kids?
I have one.
Do you have kids?
One.
Oh, just one. Just
Mm-hmm.
one.
Yeah.
You're like
You should
six.
just try
You should at
everything
least have
once.
six.
6.
No, you should have one. What if that one leaves this world? You just try having
Then I
six.
will have none. Why would that be bad? Why is it bad to
Having
be
no kids?
alone?
No, it
Yeah.
wouldn't be bad.
I
Hey,
got
that,
all these
don't ever say
people.
that. Don't ever say that again. That sounds. These people. No, no.
Thank
I
you,
love your
Chef.
thing. I love your thing.
Thank
What?
you.
Where did you get that? What
It's a
inspired that thing?
fish. This is a local artist. It's made out of clay.
Nice, nice. I thought you made it. Hey, but I think you should cover up though.
You
Like,
do? You think that? Yeah? Like, I couldn't
yeah. I
marry
think
you
you should
because you
like.
would tell me to wear bigger shirts, right? I should definitely wear bigger
No,
shirts.
it's not that. It's not that. Not that. It's just that I'm seeing too much right now, and it's a lot of pressure.
It's a lot of pressure. Pressure, like, what kind of pressure? Like, you could
Hmm.
just, do you not dress like that there? Do you guys not work out? How hot does it get?
We do work out, but I'm just saying, no, just hear me out. Just hear me out.
Okay.
Maybe you can
Hi,
like
Jeff.
fasten that one, just the one
Just
button. You
the
can just like
one.
put it,
Oh, I don't want
just
to.
the one at the top.
I don't want to, though. Hi, Tony. I tell you what,
So,
if
but
you
what?
win,
But
I will button
why?
my shirt all the way up, all the way. We'll let the teams choose. Over there, if you win, I'll button my shirt all the buttons all the way to the top. On this side, if I win, I'm
But
not
what
buttoning
if
my
your
shirt.
husband works? But what
I
if
don't have a husband, and that's
but
why.
what if your husband works?
Hi, Ryan.
Okay, so you're doing this to attract men. So is it like to attract men?
Yay! No, that's legit what it's not. It's
Nah.
like the men, it's not for them, it's for me. Hi, Chef Central Man. T4 by request charters, lost
If
in
it was
the
for you,
bucks.
if it was for you,
Uh-huh.
then you would have buttoned it though. If it
Why?
was
Why
for
would I
you,
have
then
done
you would have
that?
covered it up.
Why? It gets a little hot in here.
No, but I no. I like you
Yeah.
though. I like you though. I like you. I like the fact that you are who you are. I like that. I like that. I
You're
fully support
adorable.
you.
I'm
I
glad I
fully
accepted.
support you.
I'm so glad I accepted. I
Thank
hope
you.
you
You're a
have the
blessing too.
best Wednesday.
You are a blessing
Bye.
too. E, yeah, yeah. E, bye. Ngibona. Zero is hypnotized. Hayibo. Mbonile laa muntu like sihleli nje siyaxoxa boom ibele. Oh, oh. Khona this guy ulana azive ngimfuna ngine-stress ukuthi akangeni. Owen Aries. Khona this guy kuthiwa uZama. Pentra oh nangu uZama. Bhuti omdala ngena bhuti omdala. Ngcoba amapholoba amashiya amahle. Ngathi azoshumayela fuze. Ngena bhuti omdala. Ngilinde wena ngiqalile live for wena impela. Ngcobo amashiya amahle. Engathi azoshumayela fuze. Ngena bhuti omdala. I just sent you a request. Ngena. Ngena bhuti omdala. Ngiyabonga for the support. Ngiyabonga kakhulu. Ladies there's ladies akithi ngiyabonga kakhulu for watching my videos. Uhlala kwa-J Mlazi? No, angihlali kwa-J Mlazi, but seke once before seke ngahlala khona last year ngangisebenza somewhere and I was forced ukuthi ngiqashe eMlazi ka-J. Ngangihlala ngase-station. mawukuthi awazi istation, ngihlala sestation ngehla ngakhona nginyuke ngiye ngakayifiso. I used to live around that area yabo. Kudala wena bhuti ucaba kudala tu ngena weNgcobo mashiya amahle ngathi azoshumayela fuze. Hawu, ngilinde wena lana yazi, been waiting for this guy for like isikhathi eside. Uthini uphi? Ngibonga everyone who watches my videos. Yazi lo muntu lona bengimdinga impela lana. Greeting Zero, hello. Singin-forward le live kuyena khona ezongibona ukuthi no, ngifuna yena uqobo. UNgcobo mashiya amahle ufuze. Uhlezi remake ama-video uhlezi explainer giving. Ngithi yazini asivele senze live. Khona uzongena la kwi-panel. We-DA Pearls. Is it the Pearls noma is it we-DA? Angazi, I'm checking out wonke umuntu olana. Because ngifuna ukwenza sure. Kade ngagcina ukwenza live. It's been a while. Ngo-12 midnight ngizokwenza live officially ngizobe sengifaka abantu and then we'll get to talk. There's a lot engifisa ukuthi si-unpack, si-discuss. Even this whole issue ya DJ Warras. Am I saying it right? Kade bengihafa la kuma-comment kuthiwa ngisho kahle. How do I get this wisdom? Ngazalwa nayo le wisdom. Nami ngangingazi ukuthi wisdom. Ngangiyitshela ukuthi nje ngiyahlala. Yabo. Ngifuna ukuqala something. Yazi isifiso sami esikhulu ukuthi ngiqale a trend whereby umuntu omnyama just uyahamba ayoveza isitha. If you've ever been oppressed, if you seke waya kwi-area awafile ngathi awamukelekile, if ever nje sikhona into eseke yenzeka, you reveal. Yabo. Nje ngifuna uqala i-trend kanjalo whereby ngangihlala khona kudala. It was a long time ago. Bhuti uZama, hayi akekho, akafuni ngesenzo live bhuti uZama. Mamfundisi khona nawe lana. Mamfundisi khona bhuti uCleo. Ngingivulela live because of this guy uZama. Manje ngiyampeka lana. I've been sending him, forwarding him my live. Khona ngifuna ngene and then we unpack. Like ngizama understand his side of the story and why he loves isitha so much. Nje yabo. Manje akangeni. Ade ngiphuze ikhokho ungathuki. Ngazi uyitshela Zero. Wala ikhokho. Then ngizokwenza i-live nobani. Ubani ngamjoyina senze i-live stream naye. Because apparently uZama akekho. Ngizongiphoxa uZama. Do you believe in Jesus? I believe in God. I may not believe in Jesus, but I believe in God. Angana muphendulekile yini? I believe in Jesus. Ngiyabonga we. I-gift, ikhomba ufaka i-gift asijwayele le nto la ekhaya. So, thank you so much. I believe in Jesus. I hope that counts. I believe in Jesus. Cool. I believe in God. I believe in God. Guys, is there a difference? Ngiyamazi lo. Mazela. I believe in God. Ngibuka i-screens. Wait. Nkosazana. Hi.
Hi.
Kunjani, how are you?
I'm
You
good. How
okay?
are you?
I'm good too. I'm very, very good. What's wrong? Unan, are you okay?
Yes, what's wrong?
The thing.
Oh, it's a pimple
The thing.
patch. I have a pimple here.
Oh, oh, I was
Mm.
worried.
Ish, don't worry.
Mm, it's okay. Thank you so much though for Faga in your space. It's an honor to just be speaking with someone. Level yako. It's thank you so much.
Which level is that one?
We abanye mhlawumbe abakwazi, but I know you. I've been following you kakhulu, and it's an
Thank
inspiration
you.
kakhulu ukwazi ukuthi ngibe in your presence.
It's not a level. Why you put it like that? I'm just like any other human
Now you've
being.
achieved no, but you've achieved so much. You've done so much. Izinto that other people wish nabo they could have done. So when maybe we could learn from your wisdom, yabo.
Aye.
So for laba abangakwazi, for
Maybe.
those angazi kanjani, but for those abangakwazi, can you just quickly introduce kancane ubapha ama-highlights? I don't believe khona ukuthi umuntu okwi-live yami ungakwazi, but just nje.
You can introduce me. Take it away.
So nje, let's
Yeah.
get straight to it here, Kulungile. What inspired you like to be the person you are, manje? Where did it all start?
I'm joking. I'm joking. I don't have an inspiration. I don't have an inspiration.
Ngempela. So it just
Yeah.
happened. Was it like a gift from
Yeah, I was
God?
just born
Noma
like
khona
this, dog.
ngikwazi ukuthi nje.
No, I was
Mhm.
just born like this. I don't
But
have
manje
an
uzongivuma.
inspiration. Yeah?
And what yini le eyakuvulela the door for you to get into that space okuyona manje? Because we all know with ama gatekeepers, they don't just allow anyone in. So what is it that amazed them ngawe?
Nothing. I was just myself. Nothing specific.
Mhm. Mhm. Is
Yeah.
there anyone like special Otinji? Lo helped me a lot in my career.
Sorry?
Is there anyone special Otinji? Lo helped me so much in my career and wangipa a direction, gave me
No.
direction.
No. I had to figure it out all by myself.
And was it easy?
No. It was never easy.
Mhm. Mhm.
Mm.
Okay. And Lonto, does it resonate now with content yakho when you make your content? What inspires that?
Nothing. I'm just myself. Like, if you check my content, shame, it's a mixture of a lot of stuff. Like, you can literally just see anything and everything that I am.
Wow. I love the fact to chill. Like when you're so nonchalant about this, like for me, I'm fanning out the party, knowing what
That's
to do.
crazy.
Man,
I'm
this
not
is crazy.
nonchalant. I'm not nonchalant about this.
Yeah,
I'm
you're so
not.
nonchalant, Inji. Kakulu.
I'm
Wow.
not.
And I see you have a tattoo. Wow.
Yeah, I have tattoos. I'm thinking when mostly we're conditioned for people that have a lot of things that they achieved in their life. We're expecting motivation, like a huge, oh yeah, I was once going in a boat to school,
Mm-hmm.
and I said I want to change that. I don't have a story. I don't have a story.
Yeah.
My story is just fun living. Like, I do whatever I want.
And how was it like making your first million? Like when you touched your first million?
Who
How
told
was
you I'm
that?
who told you that?
Of course, how come Avu humble? Yes, Avu, you're so humble, man. It's Come on, at least sitshene kancane, how was it like knowing it's okay? You just reached 1 million and because most of us like we dream of that, having knowing it's okay. I have 1 million. Like so for when how was that? Does money change you? Is it a matter of ukuthi when you get the money you switch up, or is it mhlampe kuya ngabantu? Is it how is it?
You. No, I don't think money.
No,
I,
no.
I don't think money changes you. I think it goes with the person. But money is money. Like money is money. Money
So
moves. It's money.
So would you say when it changed you? Cause okay, let's not even mention a
I
million.
didn't
Cause
change. I never
ngiyazi
changed.
mhlambe abantu won't understand, right? But that 500K in Ghana first time, right? How was that? I'm sure the buzz, how does it feel?
I didn't feel anything when I first got that. I don't know if I'm being rage baited or. Are you rage baiting me?
Come on, serious, calm down. No, I'm humble. That's the thing. You're so humble about this, like nonchalant and stuff, which is cool. Which is like very cool. Yeah, and then
Do you know me?
like when you got, of course, I follow you. Kakulu, Kakulu, I'm a big fan.
Oh, okay.
That's why I'm here. Jabliso which you accepted, which is like crazy, because I'm sure being the person Ogiona, being the person you are at that level Ogiona, it's like you get a request all the time. So it's an honor.
It's an honor to speak to you too.
So Mina, do you know who I am?
No, I wanted to ask who you are and what do you do.
Okay. It's not that deep. Don't worry. I'm just another regular guy in Jehoipilila. I'm just living my life, you know. Just
Yeah,
I've
me
never
too.
touched 1 million. I've never even touched 500K, but I'm hoping to get there one day.
It will come.
Yeah.
Yeah. Money is so
Yeah, I
easily
hope so. I
accessible.
hope
It
so.
will come.
I loved I love that. It's like Yamo, you rich people, you're always like money. I hope you're not the kind that says money doesn't buy happiness. Because we
Money
know
does buy
you, we
happiness.
know.
Evan, I'm rich.
It does.
I
Yeah,
receive.
of course. Oh, of course. And it's like I know you've driven so many cars since the start of your career, Yako, but which would you say when was it like
This is rich bait. I love my car. I drive a Hyundai
you're
i20.
just laughing.
I
Yeah,
love my car.
yeah, ne?
Yeah, I've
But
driven
I
one
know,
car.
I know you've driven so many cars.
One. My
Oh,
car.
come on. Why are you so humble? You don't need to be like that in Mina, because Mina, I know you and understand you. Don't be humble, Yabo. At least
Where do you know me
G.
from? Where do you know me from?
You're laughing. Why? Don't laugh. It's okay. It's okay. Don't laugh.
If you kill me, so you gonna tell me who you are?
Okay, so Mina, I go by zero on TikTok. I won't say I'm huge. I won't say I'm big. I'm just another average person
Yeah.
who does average things. I'm not a big deal that much.
Is that how you
It's just
how
yeah.
how you describe yourself?
Yeah, of course.
You
Angas.
describe yourself
Like
as
I don't really
average.
see anything special.
That's
Yeah,
crazy.
just another normal
Then how do you
guy.
expect other people to
Just
see
another.
something amazing about yourself if you can't see it?
Well, but that maybe maybe there is. The fact that you don't know who I am proves that I'm just another normal guy, average, nothing special.
What are what are you do you, are you like a comedian or like what do you do?
Mm, mm, I'm living, I guess. I'm like
Yeah, ngifana nawe.
I'm
Nami
alive.
I'm leaving. Living life is good. I like that. I love that.
Yeah, yeah. But when come
Mm.
on, you can't compare me to you. Where now you're
I'm not
into YouTube
comparing,
and
Mus.
fashion. I mean, reality TV star, Mzansi Magic, famous.
Oh, you do politic content. That's cool.
Yeah, yeah, I do. I do. Cool.
That's
I
cool.
feel like if you do get the chance, follow me, watch at least one of my videos, and
Ubulala
tell
kanga
me
di
what you
politic.
think after, ne?
I'm gonna follow you now. And uskaba post.
Not no, not just politics, just everything relating to the black community and ngikhuluma ngakho because it's a lot. But I
Oh,
guarantee
that's
you,
good.
my content is very educational. I think you would like it.
I love that.
I think you would
Uskang
like it.
post ane. I don't think there's anything educational
I would
posting.
never. I, w- I would never post you. Like I don't do that, Mina.
I would
I
never.
I don't post anyone. Bo, I don't post
Mm.
anyone.
They're telling me you
Nice
record
talking
and
to
then you
you,
post on
though.
your
So
page.
those people are liars. Don't believe them. Don't
Dawnatava,
believe
don't
them.
post me.
I will not. That's against the Poppy Act. So yeah. But unga trend it though. If I post,
I don't wanna
but
trend.
if I post, you would trend. I
I don't
guarantee
wanna
you, if
trend.
video would hit 1 million within a day.
No, thank you. I don't wanna trend. You know, if I wanted to trend, I would have done something crazy a long time ago. It's not my theme in life.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah.
Yeah, I get you. I love the fact you're
Yeah.
just so humble. Never change who you are, ne? Like
Luen, I don't ever change. You're such a nice person. It was really lovely talking to you.
blessings. These are blessings. Thank you so much. Oh, you have 300 and something people watching you, and you say you are no one.
I, I'm just an ordinary person. Fana now.
We are just living, Jay.
Yeah, literally.
I
I love
get you.
living. It's so nice.
Oh, oh, you understand? You understand this Zulu?
Yes, I do hear it.
Then why are you letting me speak English? Senginyeke kangaka busy with the English. Senginyeke. We could have started off
Woo!
kahle with this Zulu. Ngiyakujaja.
Oh, I can't speak
Ngiyakujaja,
Zulu.
ngiyakujaja.
I can't speak Zulu. I can only hear it.
Yeah, but you can understand, right? But you
Very well,
understand,
yeah.
right? You can
Very well, yeah.
understand. We could. You should start with that. Yeah, sengikinye.
I
Like
had a bit.
I spoke some big words. I spoke some big words. Are you married? Yeah, I spoke some big words sometimes.
Yeah,
I
5'2".
even thought of using perhaps. 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 Yeah, I would have started using perhaps or contrary. Contrary. Yeah. So are you married though?
I am taken.
Basila. Hey. Nice. Shine. That's good. That's good. That's
Yeah. Are you
congrats.
married?
Keep doing the most. No. It's early for me. It's too early. I can't marry now.
Okay, it's
Yeah,
fine.
it wouldn't work.
I
It wouldn't
understand.
work. But I love my girlfriend. I love my girl, baby. I love you. It's just that I ain't gay. No marriage. No marriage. No marriage. No like
How old
proposal.
are
No
you?
fiance. Nothing. Like I feel like I'm old enough. What do you want to do? I'm old enough.
I'm just checking your age. So maybe the people that maybe are your age,
Mm-hmm.
they can advise you on marriage if they're married.
I ain't no marriage. No ways, man.
Okay.
I don't
Okay,
believe
it's
in
fine.
marriage. Gee.
Mara, how old are you?
Maybe one day. How old? Mm, I'm, o- I'm I'm old enough.
That's good.
Old enough.
That's good enough for me.
Nah.
Yeah. Una 24.
So let me leave you. I no ways. No ways, man. Uba alone kukisanga. That's old. 24. That is old.
Oh, will you 2 or 3?
I'm old enough.
4 or
I'm old
5?
enough to vote. I'm old enough
Okay,
to
that's
vote.
good. Na
Emma,
19.
Emma, Emma, Emma. Wait. Will you date me?
No.
Why am I catching strays now? So you wouldn't date me?
No, I wouldn't.
No, but I feel like ushesha. I feel like
Ay,
ushesha.
kubukile
So let's
sharp
slow
na.
down.
No, kubukile sharp.
No, let's slow down. Let's look at me carefully and let's focus.
Girl, Bonnie,
Like
we've been
let's
talking
make
for so
sure
long. Kubukile sharp.
let's let's make sure we cover all the angles. Like all the
Alright.
angles need to. So would you date? Would you date me?
No.
Em-
Hey.
I even did the lip thing, like the biting of the lips, and
Mm-mm. Maybe there's someone in the comments that might like you. Hey, as for me, had a
hey,
boy.
I know, no, it's okay, it's okay. I was trying to get myself like sugar mama. I tried.
Had it. Next time, ne? Maybe when I sugar mama in the comments, they'll
Mm,
DM you.
hey, you could have bought me a polo, bro. A G wagon at least. I tried.
I don't even have a G wagon. I'm saving up for an R line.
Mm-hmm. I think it's nice, man. I'm just gonna try somewhere else and get
Yeah,
like
ish.
a sugar. Do
Had a
you
boy.
know any like
No, Kiri. In the comments, they're
you know
watching. They'll
anyone
DM you.
any vacancies?
I
Any
know.
vacancies? Kulabo baziyo, the rich ones.
Ang baz. Ang baz.
Okay, no problems. Anyway, thanks for real, like for letting me speak
Thank
to
you
you,
so
man. It's
much.
been fun. Bye bye.
That's crazy. Okay,
Bye
bye.
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 That's crazy, guys. That was crazy. This phone, I know it is. My phone, it will count down. Abang sabuti location. This phone, bro. This phone in a bro. Okay, is it charging? Okay, the thing you charge. Okay, that's cool. Hey, I really wanted to do a live stream. Nalo Uputuzam would have been nice. Hey, Fitz, haven't talked to my girl. Bengithi ngizomfonela, I think ngizomfonela ngo-11. Guys, khona intombazane that engizothi ngimshela message. There's this girl I like, man, from Kamamanga. She's real nice. Ngigalelo live because I wanted to talk to this guy, to Uzama. I've been looking for him. Apparently, akekho. Ngiyamsendela ama-invites, akekho. I would have liked to kukhuluma naye. It would have been nice. Maybe next time then. It would have been really nice ukukhuluma naye. I understand ukuthi uyasithanda isitha and it would have been very interesting. Would have been very interesting. But kulungile. Maybe next time. Uma ngingaqinisa lapha ngawini. This is not a Mjolo platform. This is not a Sita platform. It's me having fun. Because once I start inviting abantu and start doing a live series, yo. As much as serious, as much as we focus, I like when I'm alive, just to get to talk about do. This is what I do sometimes, not all the time. Sometimes. Gifuna, please cover yo. Something. What is going on? Okay, you like her, but she can't stand your thoughts. She can't stand my thoughts. But Ibu, Dina, I do have a girl. Whatever she says after I leave life, yeah, it doesn't really. I don't really care. Man, I'm a comments. I'm gonna read the comments section. Let's see what's in it behind me. Okay. So I don't know whether I think it would midnight I'll start inviting abantu. We can then go on to do like a regular live stream. Victoria Soul, Dr. Simon Poison. Bye, mind you, Dr. Simon Poison. Maybe meaning by inviting manje abantu. Should we start the live? I think we should. Just shy this Kati. I've had enough fun. Kuluma nabantu. Now I think we should start the live. What are we going to be talking about though? Forgive me for Thank you so much for the gift. Why would you do for president have a conversation with me? Have a conversation with uMaphonga. Ngiyambheka uDJ Bani, ngiyababheka bonke yabo if ngi-live and I press la eceleni kuye kuvele wonke umuntu live and I get to see ukuthi ubani or relevant that I can actually talk to. I'm just doing that so manje. Mhlawumbe ngizojoyina uba ufuna ngijoyine i-live yakhe when I'm done here. Is anyone planning on opening like a live stream? Join anyone at all? Because I'm available. Ngizocisha manje lana and then it's like I won't be too much. Ukhona uthi okay ngizokwenza live, please be there. Ish, I'll be there. Akireba, Kirona. Oh, I think I should start the live. Ngifaka abantu. First of all, let me check. Celebrate akusekho ngisho yedwa. Lizzy, I mean. UFaith, kanguba uFaith. Faith. Hayi. Une-match. Ngisabheka la nje if I can only get like a celebrity. I doubt. I can't see my comments because konke velile la. Let me go look at my comments and Chosen, my king, Putum Dala, Sanbunan, everyone. No, it's just the robots and it's a random profile pic. It's just the robots for me. I am legend. If you ever watch the movie too, I am legend. Kone robots kanje. Umtaka Porsche. Mntaka Porsche, angiqala ukuyizwa le nto leni. Umazela, ngiyamazi phela uPorsche. I think ukhuluma ngo-aunt. Uthi uPorsche. U-aunt wami, I do have u-aunt ekuthiwa uPorsche. Away my guy. Ngiyabonga. Sengifunda ama-comments. Ngibheka i-celebrity, guys. If I can get someone who's big, esikwazi umfaka la, ngizo-invite kwanani. Ngimxhumanise with your favorite celebrities and nje. If I can get someone big, man. Abo Rick Ross, if I can just get someone big la. Abo Owen Zita, these are the big guys. Blondie. Charlie. Hi. Disconnected, okay. Ngiyabonga kakhulu, ngiyabonga you0 Matara Uchiha. Buza, it's okay. Buza, ask you a question. Ufaka uMatara. Yamazi uMatara Uchiha njengoba umfakile. Do you know who Matara is? Mhlawumbe awumazi, mhlawumbe uve wafaka nje. Mhlawumbe awazi ukuthi who is lo umfakile ba. Manje, I'm still searching for like a big star engamfaka lana and us actually sitting down sikhulume naye would be nice. Oh, shorty, you better she belong to me. Buza Matara uthi ha. I believe ufaka uMatara. Hambe amazi ukuthi uba uMatara uthi ha. I'm looking for someone. I think we again. I'm trying to get like a big star. I'm just looking if I can get for us a big star. Because usually zabo zokuba live lezi. Just trying to find someone worth talking to. Because abanye ba useless. I'm a big fan. Usindika Kazi and Mazu Sindikazi. Guys, I'm just trying to find someone big, a big name engizwazi ukuthi ngifake la sihlale naye sikhulume. Would be very nice. He follows me. JFK Mulder. Mr. Mulder. Mr. Mulder, man. Ngamthola ati sengimtholile umuntu engamfaka. Simfaka uMr. Mulder. Unable to post. Ngidliwe network lapho lo muntu ebengizomfaka la. Yabona nje. Ngiyakhala kakhulu. Gugu. Uba manje uGugu Mashego. Like she's big. Ulive and there's like 600,000 followers and there's like 5,000 people watching her. Who's Gugu Mashengo? Such an honor given to be. She declined me, such an honor. Ba Gugu Mashengo manje. Oh nyamazi, bengamazi phela mina. Ngakho mina ngiqalaza umuntu engizomfaka lana sikwazi ukunandisa sixoxe naye kube mnandi. Yabo. Thank you so much for the support, guys. Thank you so much. Yeah, man. She's a celebrity on TikTok. Okay. Ngizozama umbheka naye. Ngicela if I'm taking time. Ngiyabheka lana. I'm just trying to get us a big interview with a big name. Yabo. Ba live ngiyabazi ikhathi zabo zokuba live lezi. Ngingamazi uGugu Mashengo mina. Somthola kodwa umuntu omkhulu. Sigcinani nje ukwenza a big interview. I know people are like watching babhorekile basho ukuthi wenzani uZero. Nope, khululeka ninga-stress. Come back later. Ngisabhama ubani manje lona nikhanda elingaka. Breezy uhle sibo uTumi uZutumi manje ngibona imuphi lo Tumi waseSoweto Lesotho angimazi. Majoika loves the tattoos. I can't seem to find us a big interview, yes. People are scared of you guys. Ninabathusa abantu, man. Like the platform, niyabathusa abantu. Ningabathusi, don't be so scary, guys. It must be nice to our visitors. Shorty, your body, she belong me. DJ Worse is gone, and Wiki is gone. People are losing their lives. I know. I'm a big fan. Ngihleli la ngihleli khona. Ngeke ngifake. Lo mama, uMakoya. Cucumber Pods. She declined. Ngizama ukugcina. Kodwa mama ngakwenzani. I'm such a big fan. Ngiyaxolisa. Whatever it is that I did to you. Makoya Pods. Akafuni. Yes. uMakoya Cucumber Pods untombazane akafuni. Yes. Kapha. Ayitshena abantu benu. Celebrities enu. Abantu start getting attention. Abantu are weird. Abantu, they start getting attention nyana on TikTok and then they like singing celebrities, which is crazy. For me, that's crazy. So, to ever think ukuthi wena ungcono than labantu abathatha isikhathi sabo to watch your videos. To me, that sounds crazy. Oh, hi. Hello. Kunjani, how are you? Disconnect. No, I don't want a battle. As lo muntu engiqalele yena le live akafuni ukungena, ungibalekele completely. Le muntu ekuyena yena the reason why I started the live in the first place. Sabathe ngiyamlinda akizi. Khona umuntu ekuyena yena engiqalele le live for yena. Ngiyambheka ngimtholi. Bye bye. Peace.